Mzito, welcome to Mkosi Nomagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni, umkosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bamzito. It's about Umyeni kaNozipho Ntshangase. We know that Umyeni kaNozipho Ntshangase ulobole omunye unkosikazi, and on weekend it was umshado wabo. Umshado wabo, it was very beautiful, guys, and I even saw the kids did attend umshado kabababo, but laba bakaNozipho they didn't attend. I guess mhlambe kube yinto yokuthi nina ngoba ubabenu and lo akusumameni bayile. I don't know ukuthi kanjani, but I do know ukuthi uNozipho is very close nabantwana, and it seems like uNozipho usahlala nalengane angazali zalo baba lo. The wedding, it was beautiful. Ngibonile ukuthi noSimkhane and the third wife bashadile, which is, we don't have a problem musina nomshado kaSimkhane. We should wish them all the best, because umshado vele amakhosikazi waziwe noma khuluma lapha umshadweni, they were happy, baceliwe wavuma, and nomntana uvumelene. YakaNozipho is very sad because umyeni wakhe uyenze forcefully lento yesithembu, and the way ngibona ngakhona, to me it seems like bangasifuni isithembu lo bhuti, just that bangasafuni ukuthandana noNozipho. One thing, guys, about amadoda atshisayo, do not stand it cheat. I'm telling you this today, because uzohlala uhlale le ndoda iloku ikuchisela ihlelo ukuchisela, the day it decide ukahamba iyohamba uyibekezelele. Remember uNozipho indoda yakhe uyithole aze ngathi ingane eziyi-2, lezi ezinye mangathi uyabali ziyenzwe aloku akhona athandana nalo myeni, even though they were not married or they were not mhlambe legally married, but they were still together. Then ayingakho ama-girlfriend abe in the picture abangana ingane, because umuntu onomntana ngaphandle une-evidence ukuthi yes, I'm cheating on you. Wena uhlala wamukele lezo ingane, uzithande, uzinikuthando, uzikhulise futhi zihlale kakho bomama lengane. No, indoda ikubona ukuthi you are not enough, ihambe yothatha isithembu. And I remember uNozipho, I do not have any problem namadoda athatha isithembu namazala. I do not have any problem, but my problem is nobaba uNtshangase ukuthi uNozipho this stage ukuthi bona lokho abacala uthandana, indaba yesithembu ayikaze yakhulunywa. Indaba yesithembu, it was not something abake yafika khici ubaba sekafuna ukuthatha isithembu, and uthi ufuna ukuthatha isithembu, already there is someone in the picture. We understand. Remember uNozipho into yakhe yababhlungu ngoba bekaceda ukuthola ingane, because wathi asikhathi eside afuna ingane angazitholi. Wathi lapho uNkulunkulu sekambusisa ngengane khona, I think on i-YouTube channel yakhe khona la explain khona things that they did ukuthi bathole le ngane. Lapho sowuthola ingane khona uzitshela ukuthi no what, ingane zethu ziyakhula, siba ready, no baby. No, baby decide to take another wife. But for me, guys, it seems like ubaba lo bangafuni isithembu, bangasafuni nje uNozipho. You know, sometimes umyeni wakho uyazi ukuthi if I say lento, sorry, if I do this uzohamba nonkosikazi, because bekazi ukuthi uNozipho uziva kanjani ngesithembu, bekazi ukuthi that is something we've never discussed, and this is not, it's something that ekhaya they have never discussed about uNozipho. This is something that ekhaya bangakazi bayisho kuNozipho. Say yazi makoti, kungayenzeka ukuthi ubaba lo athatha isithembu just because isithembu yinto ekhona la yakho, just because vele kuwumuntu masikhula besazi ukuthi kumele athathe isithembu. Angeni bathi nesithembu phela sesifana nithini idlozi vele, if kumele uyothwasa sesifana with a gift or leyo yokuthwasa. So uzalwa nayo kuthiwa hayi siyazi ukuthi uzibani uzokhula athatha isithembu. I just feel like indoda kaNozipho, it was very selfish, but ke even if bangafuni uNozipho, ngabe nami wamdivorce than ukuthi athathe omunye umuntu. That video umntana kaNozipho wayipost ukhokho, it was very sad. See umyeni aforced ukuya ku-girlfriend yakhe anganandaba nokuthi ingane zakhe zayo esikoleni na. I wish Nozipho all the best in life. I wish i-podcast yakhe ikhule ibe nkulu and make her own mind. It's never too late to start again. It's never too late to start fresh. What I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu yaba nenjongo ngempilo yomuntu, and what I know ukuthi yes, yena asimazi ubaba financial ukuthi uzoyenzakalani, and I do not wish bad kubo, angimfise nalo ke umshado, but I do know ukuthi umuntu ojwayele ukuchisa usazochisa, and I do know ukuthi akekho, akusiba uningi abomama abakazi ukuhlala nengane abangazali. Yabo that one umuntu angayithatha light. It is difficult ukuthi umntana ongaso wakho, engathi ku difficult ukukhulisa umntana wesister yakho or brother yakho. Just imagine umntana onomthetho kamama yakhe, umama yakhe wathandana nalo baba ohleli naye. Sometimes wena lo mama uthola ukuthi unazo injongo zokubuya, you understand? So it will be very difficult umshado kagele, but we wishing them all the best. We also wish uNozipho all the best in life. So please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.